So I made this plate in at my aircraft school, and then I also soldered all these wires at that school also. But I bought the clips. I bought these clips online, and they came with these also. Had some loom, so I just put it together. Bought these eBay coils. I mean, just a gamble. Bought the eBay coils. I'm not sure if it's them that won't start the car, but for some reason they won't start the car. They look legit, but no dice. So this is like something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I am finally gonna do it today. So I'm gonna take all this apart, test out these coils. They don't work. These are from these are actually for a Scion XA, and then I just picked up these for they're used off of a Scion TC. So you see how this one won't clear if I put that cover piece back on, but I wanted to go with these XAs so that it'll cover, but we'll see what happens. Give it a shot. Okay, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me, but the car feels great, and I mean great. The pedal feels like really heavy, and this is at 5 in the evening, where I think today is like 80 something degrees or something, and that's pretty hot because I'm used to driving the car in 60 and 70 degree weather, and the car feels really good. Throttle response is like really good, and I know this because I daily drive my car. See, that acceleration is just so smooth. Yeah, I know how the car feels exactly, because I drive it every day without the radio on, so I'm always listening for the noises it makes. And I just got done with the coil pack swap, and I would recommend it. I built I made the bracket, the plate by myself at aviation school, and I bought the kit with all the clips and the wiring, or not the wiring, but the pigtails, and I just went off the forums, and the rest, was from there. And wow, the car feels great, man. Like my coil packs before, they were great. I'd never had any issues with them. I tried to use some aftermarket coil packs before, and it actually misfired. So I put my stock ones back on, and the misfire went away. So that tells me that my stock coil packs are really good. And I got new boots on them. But wow, I've been dying to do this, and I had it all set up, I had it all made, ready to go. But when I put those eBay coil packs on, they wouldn't even start the car. So as soon as I went and bought these are off of like 05 something Scion TC, and it works good. It feels great. I would totally recommend it for anybody. Alright, so yeah, like I said, I daily drive my car everywhere. I hardly ever listen to the radio because I want to hear and feel the whole car while I'm driving, because of the new motor. And the acceleration just, I mean, the car was smooth before, now it's even smoother. That's all I can say. So I totally recommend doing the coil on plugs individual. Totally worth it.